Without being changed is to be a nomad. To change without journeying is to be a chameleon. To journey and be transformed by the journey is to be a pilgrim. Mark Nepo. A poem by Christine Valters, painter. How to be a pilgrim. Air travel is like ancient pilgrims walking on their knees. Flight delays and narrow seats offer their own kind of penance. You jettison excess baggage, leaving behind a heavy case, knowing the rain will wash you free of artifice. Books you wanted to carry, left too. No more outside words needed. Then go old beliefs which keep you taut and twisted inside. Blistered feet stumble over rocky fields covered with wildflowers. And you realize this is your life, full of sharp stones and color. A new hunger is kindled by the sight of cows nursing calves in the field. Spying a spotted pony, you forget the weight and seriousness of things. This is why we journey, to retrieve our lost intimacy with the world. Every creature, a herald of poems, sleeping in streams and stones. Missing you, scrawled on a postcard sent home, but you don't follow with, wish you were here. This is a voyage best made alone.